You are going to love the 2025 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, automatic air conditioning, compass, front bucket seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.